How to play Steam games on phone. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do first is to simply log in to your Steam account, open your Steam application, and then log into your account. Now, once you're here, what you're going to do is to simply go to the left side and look for settings. Okay, so here it is. Now, what you're going to do is to simply tap this remotely and then click pair Steam link. Okay, so here it is. But before you do that, of course, you have to make sure that you have downloaded this Steam link on your mobile. So to do that, open your Google Play Store and then simply type Steam link. Okay, this one. Tap this one here and then click install. Now wait as it is processing, and then once done, all you have to do is to click open or launch this application. So let me repeat it again. Click pair Steam link, okay? And then you have to make sure that you have opened your Steam link on your device. And then what you're going to do here is to simply enter the PIN from your phone in order to connect to your desktop or PC, okay? And then after that, click confirm and then wait as it's processing and as it is connecting to your desktop. Okay. And then once done, you can see it right here, a notification it says paired. And then after that, you can simply start playing Steam games on your phone. So as you can see, testing network test complete. All you have to do is to simply click OK. And no device, just click OK. And then here, once it is connected, what you're going to do is to simply click start playing. Okay. So actually you can also edit settings here if you want. You can toggle this one on or off. Everything is up to you. But once it's everything okay, and once you're done with the editing of settings, for example, for video, it is highly recommended that you choose balance here. Okay, for others, everything is up to you. Okay, so like what I've mentioned earlier, to start, you just have to click start playing, and you can now connect, or you can now start playing games on phone, and you can see it on your desktop too. So that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.